Where, oh, where can Uncle George be?
In a city, forest, or the sea.
He's always off exploring somewhere new.
I wish
we could be there too.
Wow,
This is an exciting place to be.
Mexico is filled with ancient history. I love the music
And the sunshine too. I'm glad I could explore it with you.
Wow,
This is an exciting place to be.
and New York is a busy, loud city. I like the buildings
And Central Park too. I'm glad I could explore it with you. This is an exciting place to be.
And Japan's cherry blossoms smell so sweet to me. I love the wind chimes
And Mount Fuji too. I'm glad I could explore it with you.